Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem can't install application in the Play Store. So at the very beginning I suggest you to open your security application, use cleaner, clean your cache, wait for it, clean your cache. Select obsolete files, packages, memories and click clean and restart your smartphone. If it still doesn't work and you still can't download applications, just open settings. In the settings we should find applications, find apps. Here find Google and we have here Google Play Store. So click storage, clear data, click clear all data, click OK. Cool. Now go back. So now in this step you can check does it work or no. If it's not, so move on. Go back, click cancel, click on the three dots button on the right up corner of the screen and find show all apps. Find Google again and we should find Google Play Services. Click on it. Here select storage, clear all data, clear cache, OK. OK, total storage, clear all data, confirm. Cool, that's it. Now let's try to download something. Let's open the Play Store, get started, skip, OK, use the password. I should input my password, click done, oops. Okay, here we are. I want to see local recommendations, so you can select yes if you want. Now let's try to download something. So Minesweeper. Okay, Minesweeper. I want to install this app again. Just click install, and as you can see, in my case it works. If it helped you, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.